What's up, software engineers? How are you doing? Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to cover a very interesting topic. Most of my friends have been asking this for a while. They have been asking the question, can we open emails without any headache, like no need of phone number, any SMS verification, and create email as much as we want? Well, today we're going to cover this topic. First of all, most of us know what is Gmail, right? Almost 99% of people have Gmail account. But the issue is, it's hard to open new one, and it asks a lot of credentials like phone number or your location. It asks even it is for your personal use, for your child. Like, there are too many headaches. So I'm going to show you something different. Mail.ru. I hope some of you heard about this. It's also email service website. As you can see, I have 3 emails here, like Mr. Shohrukh, Strong Shohrukh, and Jalilov 2025. I've created this all within 5 minutes. If you don't believe, let's us try to create one more. Don't pay attention, there are a lot of ads here, but the important thing is here. So it's in Russian. I hope some of you know how to turn the browser into English language. Each browser I think has this kind of translators, or if you know Russian language, you are good to go. So we continue. It already gives me some kind of suggestions for creating email. And pay attention, you not only can create email with @mail.ru, or you can also inbox, BK, list, or internet.ru. This kind you can use. Well, what we're going to create, my internet name is Sean White. It's my nickname. Of course, everything should be with small letters. Continue. So it says an account with this name already exists. Let's make it a little bit different for maybe this one. It already exists. It gives me some suggestions. Maybe try with @list.ru. Okay, we're going to try. Well, I think we got it. We're going to wait a little bit. One more. As you can see, guys, we are in our new email portal. This is what we have created. Sean.white@list.ru. You see, 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes, you created new email. Whatever you want, you can do. You can send email. For example, let's create email. Everything is in Russian. I'm going to try it in write a letter. I'm going to write a letter to myself. From whom? Doesn't matter from whom. Hello from easy email creation lesson. Hi man, we created email account in 2 minutes. Send. Now the mail is sent. We're going to receive it from here. Refresh it. You see, we have received it from Sean.white@list.ru. Hi man, we created email in 2 minutes. Thanks for your attention. It was all about how to create email in an easy and quick way without any burden. See you in our other lessons. Take care.